Hi everyone, welcome to Miss Logically. In this video, we are going to learn about filter function in Kotlin. Filter function is used on many collections to filter out the data. So in today's video, we are going to filter out the prime numbers in an array. Okay, so let's just get started. This is the code from our previous video. In previous video, we demonstrated none function to find prime numbers in a given array of integers. Let's run this for the starters. Let's make sure that it is running well. Yes, it is returning us the correct result. 50 is not a prime, 37 is prime, 11 is prime, 75 is not prime. Okay, so in this code, we are just printing whether the number is prime or not for each element of an array. What if I want to filter out these numbers and store in a different collection? So for this, we need to have a function which will return us the set of data, set of elements which will be prime. So let's get started. Instead of using this for loop, I will be using a filter function. So I'm using array dot filter. Inside the predicate, we must specify the condition. So the condition here is prime. We get it inside the filter function, so I'm passing it as it. So what this code will do is it will filter out the number if it is prime. Okay, so after the filtration, the results are stored in a different collection. Let's say prime numbers. So what we can expect for this code is apply a filter on an array so that filter out the prime numbers and save those prime numbers in a prime numbers variable. Let's try this variable printing. Okay, I'm printing this result prime numbers. So in our case, our collection is 50, 37, 11 and 75. So prime number should be filled with 37 and 11. The function isPrime is a helper function which determines whether the number is prime or not for a single number. And the logic stays the same because it is working well. So we don't have to touch or change this logic. Let's run. Yes, it is returning the correct result 37 and 11. What if I want to have the numbers which are not prime? So in that case, I will just negate this condition. So it will filter out the numbers which are not prime. Let's validate that. Yes, it is returning the correct results. So this is about the filter function. Filter function can be used on many collections. You can use it on list or array, so on. So try it on your own. Try to have multiple conditions in it. Save its result in a different variable and let me know if you find something interesting in the comments. So that's it for today's video. We will meet you soon in the next one. Till then, keep coding. Bye.